Hi everyone, this is Smruti. Welcome to QA automation classes. And today we are going to start the data-driven testing sessions. So before understanding the data-driven testing, I'll just walk you through the flow, which flow we are going to do today. So the flow will be you go to your automationexercise.com and then you click on sign up or login. So this is your home page, right? If you see, we have already have the page class for this home page. And in the TC01 open login page, we are just clicking on that one and verifying the page title. So now when you click on sign up or login page, if you see, now we are going to the login page, right? So automationexercise.com/login, right? Let's go one more time. So now this is the automationexercise.com. Click on sign up or login. So you navigate to /login page. So we are going to verify this page title, and this page title verification we have written inside the home page, okay, which is, if you see, which is wrong. So this home page title verification should be present inside the this page login page, right? So we'll create another page class, and here in this page class we'll verify the page title, as well as we'll enter the valid user credentials, and then we'll click on the login. Okay, this is the sign up or login page, right? The page class will have the title verification first, one method, and then enter valid username and enter valid password, and then click on login. Okay, so these four methods will have. After this, now if you see, we are navigating to the user home page, right? And then here in the user home page we have an option to click on the logout. So let's see here, user homepage, what is the title over here? Head title automation exercise. This is same as the homepage title actually. Okay, fine. So here we're not, you can verify the title if you want. Okay, automation exercise, right? Expected user homepage title, and then after verifying the title, we'll click on the logout and we'll navigate back to the original screen, and here we'll close the browser window. So this is in what is going to be our automation test steps, right? So we have gone through the opening the application. The steps would be opening the application, and then click on sign in or login page link, and then in the sign up or login page link, entering the username, password, and clicking on the login button and verifying the page title also. And then in the user home page you have to click on the logout and then come out and close the browser. So that is the flow we are going to have. For that one to happen, we need to implement the page classes, right? So we have only one home page class. So similarly we are going to have the other two page classes. So let me go to the application. So this page class we have, and then we need to have sign up or login page class, this page class, where we'll be verifying the page title and then entering the username, password, and clicking on the login. And then again we'll have one more page class, user home page. This is user's home page, right? So this is, if you see, this is my username, right? So user home page, we can verify the page title, and then we can click on the logout and we'll come back to the login page, and then we'll close the browser window. So this is the flow as of now. Okay, so for that one, let's start creating the pages, right? So let's start creating the sign up or login page class. We have only home page, right? So similarly we're going to create the sign up or login page class. Okay, so let's do one thing, copy this one. I'll just rename and update the things. So instead of a home page, we'll say sign up login page. Okay, sign up login page. So let's say sign up login page. Okay, so go to sign up login page, and we need WebDriver. Obviously we need the WebDriver, and we need the properties. We'll be accessing the properties also, because verifying the page title and all, we'll get those information from the .properties file. And logger we need, and we will verify the status, right? If you see in the home page, this entire code we are going to move into sign up or login page, because this title verification, we're verifying this sign up or login page title, right? So earlier we didn't have this page class, so I have written here in the home page. But since we are creating the sign up or login page, we should have the verify title method inside the sign up or login page class. Okay, and okay, so let's see. And here, so let's identify the elements, right? So what are the elements we need to identify in the sign up or login page? So if you go to the sign up or login page, we need to verify this username field and this password field and this login button, three things. Okay, so let's see, let's go to the IntelliJ @find by xpath. So let's find the xpath for this okay, username field. Okay, so input type equals to email and data QA equals to login email. Okay, we can use anything. So let's say, let's write the XPath double slash. I'll say we have the input, right? So input bracket. So, and here we'll say at the rate data hyphen QA equals to with a single quote login hyphen email. Copy login hyphen email. Okay, so this is the XPath for this username field. Okay, and Control C. Let's go to the IntelliJ and here give the XPath. Okay, so this is my login email username field. Okay, so this is the username field, and here let's see, give the name as email ID text box. Okay, so email ID text box. So you give your name, whatever you follow in your organization. So private web element email ID text box. Similarly, we're going to have two more, right? So one for password and another one for the login button, right? So let's go and find for the password. So again, let's go and see the password, and data QA equals to login hyphen password. Okay, copy. So let's replace this with login plus password. Okay, so if you see, only one is matching, so password is matching. So let's copy this one. So email ID and here, right? So we'll replace it with password. Okay, and here you can say password text box. So password text box, and similarly we have to do for the login button. So let's go and see the login button. Okay, so input type equals to some button type equals to submit, data QA equals to login hyphen button. Okay, so let's take this login hyphen button, copy login hyphen button. Okay, let me take the complete one, copy data hyphen QA, right? Yes, so let's see. Okay, so I think here is a login, right? I can say, I don't know why it is not identifying. Input at the rate data hyphen QA. Okay, data hyphen QA equals to login hyphen button. It should work, right? Login hyphen button. Let's check the login password. It was working, right? Input type equals to input at the rate data QA, and okay. Oh, it was a button, right? So sorry. So input will not good work. So let's say button. Okay, button input type equals to login hyphen button. Login hyphen button. Okay, so now see, it is working. So let's take this XPath. Okay, so because see, the XPath will start with the root tag. This is a button tag, this is not input tag, that's why it was not coming. So now if you see one, okay, it is identifying the login. So let's take this one and put it. Done. And here you say login button. Okay, so login button. So now we have created the email ID text box, password text box, and login button, and the elements we have created. Okay, and now we have to do the enter the details of the username and password, right? We have to create the methods for them and do the proper actions for them. So we need the sign in up login page constructor web driver, and we are initializing the driver here, and page factory that init element. So we are initializing all these web elements, and log also we are initializing here. Okay, so that is perfectly all right. And then now we have to write all our methods. So what are those methods? We have to write our enter username, enter password, and login button, and even we have to verify our page title, right? That also we need to update. So let's see. So let's start defining those methods. So first one is public void. So first method will be your enter username, right? So let's say enter username. So enter username, and here make it capital N. Okay, so enter username, and in the enter username we have to uh, get the username first, right? You cannot directly you have to enter the username, right? You need to get the username first. So let's define the variable as string parameter username. Okay, so the calling method is going to pass the username to it, and then after it is passed, so we are going to go to the email ID text box dot, okay, let me get it up. So email ID text box dot, so what we are going to do, we are going to send keys, right? We have to send this username into that field, so send keys. So what we're going to do, the send keys, the username that has been passed from the called method, okay, called place. So whoever is calling this one, they are going to send the username, and into this box we are going to do the send keys with that value, okay. And after that you can have your log.info, you can say entered username plus username, entered username, okay, and give a space here, say plus, put the username so that you can see it in the log. This is the username, it has been entered, okay. So similarly we need to do for the password, okay. So just copy again, just say enter password, and you say string password, and here email ID and password text box, right? If you see, yes, password text box. So let's go there, uh, password text box dot send keys, and here we have to pass the password, okay, and entered password plus password, okay. So we have entered username, we have entered the password, and then we have to hit the login button, right? Or click on the login button. So let's create another method, click login button. So here let's say click login, okay, button. So click login button, and in this login button we don't have to pass anything, okay, just get rid of it. And sorry, it's click login button, right? Click login button, and here we have the login button we have created, right? Login button dot click should be sufficient here, right? So login button dot click, so we're going to do a mouse click. So we have clicked on the login button, and here you can say clicked on the login button, right? Login button, this is successfully clicked on the login button, okay. So now the methods also defined. So whenever you defined any methods or whatever, like we have to give the comment, that also you need to follow, okay. We'll see that in some other time, but make sure whenever you are writing new methods and all everything, you should have proper comment, the commenting standard, whatever you are following in your organization, you should follow that one, okay. And so login button, okay. So verify title, okay. So from the home page, yes, we have to get rid of this method, right? Get rid of this method from home page, okay, because we are not going to verify the title, and here we will have that verify title, right? So instead of verify title, let's say verify. So this is sign up or login page title, right? Verify uh, sign up login page title, okay. So cool. So we can where is the home verify title, this we need to change, okay, fine. So we will be changing that. So, okay. So this is our page, right? Sign up or login page, okay. And in the sign up or login page, we have verified the page title, and we have clicked enter the username, we have entered the password, and we have entered the and clicked on the login button and verifying the page title, right? So now what is the change we have to make to the existing test case, right? TC01 open login page, right? So if you see, let's see, I have commented it out, right? So let's make it correct only now itself. So if you see, we have only one home page equals to new home page driver. So now since we have another one, so let's say we are going to have the sign up login page, right? So let's say sign up login page, right? So let's say sign up login page, okay. Sign up login page, let's say the sign up login page. So name, I can give the same, sign up login page equals to new sign up login page, and here also we need to pass the driver instance, okay. So let's pass the driver instance over here, semicolon. So Here, let's do one thing. We can define it at the class level. Okay, and if you see, I can get rid of this one now again. Okay, new sign up login page of the driver. And now here, after clicking on the sign in link, when we're going to verify the page title, that is going to get changed. Okay, so assert true instead of home page, right? Yeah, instead of home page, we'll go with the this sign up or login page object. Okay. Okay, so verify title name we have renamed. Okay, so let's go here and verify sign up login page title, copy and paste it over here, and page title is mismatching. Okay, and one more thing I want to update, where is the properties file? So expected sign up login, just say it is login page title. Okay, so this one I have to get it there, properties.get file. Okay, get it. Now I think it should be good. Okay, so I can run this test 01 again to see whether it is working or not, right? So sign up or login page, what is the test case? This is 01. Yes, so sign up login page dot verify, sign up login page title, correct. So what we did, we segregated, or we moved our verified page title, right, from home page to the sign up or login page, because we are going to verify the sign up or login page title, right? After clicking on sign up or login link, application navigates to sign up or login page. So the title verification should happen in that page only, right? Earlier we didn't have this page class, so I was verifying in the home page. So but now, since we have a dedicated sign up or login page, and there only we're going to verify the page title. Okay, so let's run this one and see. Open login page, TC01, right? Open login page, yes, this is the one. Let's run. I think the second one is still there. We can get rid of this second test actually. This is just for demo I have shown, right? For the okay, so now it will run for both of them. We'll see. So now open the application, maximize the window. Okay, okay, navigated to sign up or login page. Now it has to verify that page title. Okay, fine. So this one is failed, this one is passed, right? So actual page title is matching with the expected page title. So if you see, I have disabled this one. Now if I run it one more time, it should go and pass. Okay, the second test, the failed test actually failed, right? So sample failed test actually failed, but the open login page was successful. Okay, I'm just rerunning it to show you the changes we have made with respect to verify page title, right? So yeah, okay, so if you see, so this is successfully running. So test run 1, pass 1, failure 0. So with this we have developed the sign up or login page, and in the next class we are going to look into the one more page, right? After entering username and password, click on login. So you will go to this page, user homepage. So we'll see what we do in the user homepage, right? So again, in user homepage, we are going to verify the page title. Okay, and after creating the page title, after verifying the page title, we have to click on the logout link. So these two, again, we have to design that user homepage. Okay, so that's all to the today's class. Stay tuned for the next video. And if you guys are really enjoying these sessions, I would request you to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and colleagues. Okay, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And yeah, stay tuned to the Q automation classes. Thank you everyone. Bye.